العليلة أنه ماله جنة.
Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by, thank you for staying with me. Today we will be making another batch of kabasa spray, sandal spray, room spray, and I'm going to show you guys how I make it, or I'm going to take you guys along. So I'm burning this 2 years old cotton incense. This guys, this smells so good, and I've had this for 2 years. I love using this in the night. I love burning this cotton bakuri in the night. This one is from my students, and I made the pink one myself. And it smells so good, and it's a kind of Turaren that I can burn when you want um when you are reading or you're creating magic. You want a serene, you want like a calm vibe. That's what you go for. I kind of have kata, and guys, let me just sit down and take you guys along and show you guys how I make this amazing stuff. So firstly, what you'll be needing when making your sandal spray is a bucket, or like where you will be mixing the sandal spray in. You can use like a bucket, you can use a bowl, you can use like a big a big bottle. Whichever one you want to use, you can use, guys. So for me, I'm using this bucket. So I'm going to take this water to the side, and the first ingredient I'm adding is my cologne. I'm using um Amir Nur Iman cologne. I cannot wait for it to pour this way, so I'm just going to open it like this, guys, and then I'm going to pour. This is 500 ml of UD cologne, so approximately we are making 100 and 1500 milligrams. And I'm going to add a magic ingredient in this cologne, guys. You can skip that magic ingredient, but we need that magic ingredient. So I've added it, and our magic ingredient is none other than Perfumer's alcohol. I'm adding 250 ml of my Perfumer's alcohol in here, not too much, just the right quantity. So if you don't have Perfumer's alcohol, you can skip this process. I'm making a sandal, or like a woody spray, and we need our dukun a sandal, and our dukun a sandal. I'll be needing, I want to measure it, guys, because you guys said I do not. You always ask in my comment section, what is the quantity? What is the quantity? What is the quantity? So I'm going to measure, guys. I am going to measure. So we are making sandal fragrance. I'll be adding she wants its sandal woody, so I'm just going to add 30 mils of our sandal. It's not 30 mils, almost 30 mils. So it's 30 mils. You can add all these ingredients together, or you can just yeah, you can add them together. Then I'll be adding a few drops of Abari Daddy as our enhancer, or our fixative here. Abari Daddy has a spicy scent. It's more of like an earthy fragrance, so we need that as our base notes, or our middle notes. You can use earthy fragrance as middle notes. Then I'm also going to add medicus oud oil, and medicus oud oil has amiri oud fragrance, and this is 20 mils. So I'm just going to add 10 mils, which is half of this. Yeah, so I added half of this. One thing I don't like with this medical suit is it's so difficult. It doesn't dissolve very fast. It will dissolve, but not very fast. Yes. So after adding that, I'm going to add my Playful Lail by Almas. I love Aliful Lail because Aliful Lail has this open fragrance. It is nice. Oh my god, I love it. I used to sell this Aliful Lail to guys and they love it so much when I was in school. I sell it like you wouldn't believe that when I tell them that it's Aliful Lail oil, they don't even believe. They think it's an expensive oil, like one expensive Arabian oil like that, but it's Aliful Layla, and we're adding just 10 mils of Aliful Layl. الليلة بالليل الليلة نمشي شارع النيل. I almost added 20 mils. So let's just go for 20 mils of our Aliful Layl. Oh my god, now it's 25 mils. So 25 mils of Aliful Layl. نمشي شارع النيل كان محسن اللي ما حب النيل شبابنا بشي شرع ديراه يمننا ونمشي يا بلا ندور بلا بارا ما يوا. Guys, I almost forgot to add something. You can add onicha. You can also add onicha oil. You can also add infused onicha. So for this, I do not want to change this color. My infused onicha is dark in color. I'm just going to add sandal powder. But then I want to deliver this soon and I do not have time to be sieving it. So I just changed my mind. I'm not adding the onicha powder. I'm adding the infused onicha. So this is the infused onicha. Don't mind the ugly bottle, but use this with caution if you are using this. This is Yamulke. For those of you that know it as Yamulke, this is Yamulke. I'm just adding a few drops because if it's too much, guys, if it's too much, you will not even like what you get with this. That's my problem with Yamulke. A little goes a long way, and that's it, guys. We don't need too much because if you add too much, Saki nadama. Nan zai zama humra in gaya miki. Okay, so like I said, guys, this customer requested for a sandal blend, a sandal fragrance. So I have blended my sandal oil for my customer, and I have a mixture of two different sandal oils. Yes, and if you don't know these different sandal oils, just watch my videos and I will write a list of different sandal oils that you can mix together. In my classes, I taught my students the oil blends, the different oil blends, spicy oil blend. Um, we have Udi oil blend, we have sandal oil blend. So I'm using the sandal oil blend which I taught my student, and I'm also using the spicy oil blend too. So so since my customer requested for sandal oil blend, I'm going to use the sandal oil blend for her, which is this one, and this is just 25 mils of sandal oil blend. So I also sell this oil blend I made for some customers some weeks ago, and 50 mils of sandal oil blend and spicy oil blend and woody oil blend is 20,000 naira. So for 25 mils, this is 5,000 naira oil blend. So I'll be adding my oil blend. So for the sandal oil blend, like I said, it's a mixture of different sandal oils. We have the sandal wood, sandal Faiza, sandal and wood, sandal Maracas, Jauhara. Um, there are many. I cannot list it for you guys, but so now I'm just going to look for something that will use to turn this our sandal spray. So I'm just going to. I try to look for the. This is what I'm using to mix my spray. I'm still going to shake this when I add it to the bottle. I'm just trying to mix this so that the oils will combine before I continue adding the two remaining oils for the spray. It smells so good. And this will last for a long time in the room. And if you want it darker in color, you can add your yamulke or you can add color. But since I wanted this color, I'm just going to leave it like this. This smells so good. It smells so good. Mashallah. It has nice fragrance. The sandal is coming out, but I still need to add more. Yes, I still need to add more fragrance, more oils in here. So I'm going to add our wood cashmere, wood terran oil here, sorry. And this is by Sorati. I'm adding 10 mils of our wood terran. I thought I was not recording. 10 mils of our wood terran. So let's see what this oil is giving. Remember, we do not want it to have any other fragrance except sandal fragrance. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells so good. It's woody, it's sweet. The first scent you perceive is a sweet floral kind of scent, then followed by, oh my god, I don't know, is it amber, is it oud? You get a very sweet scent for the first note, the top note, then the middle note is amber, and then the base note is oud. Perfect, and this is what our customer is looking for. So I'm going to add this and let it rest and sit for some weeks. Mashallah, smells so good. Oh, Alhamdulillah. So I'm going to add it back into the jar. Let me look for a funnel. I couldn't find my funnel, so I'm just going to carefully add this into the bottle. Oh my god. I had to look for my beaker, my big size beaker, because I could not pour this back into the 1 liter bottle. So the importance of our perfumers alcohol here is to help it diffuse properly into the atmosphere. If you're using just the eau de cologne, you will not get the best out of it in the spray. Like the spray will not do a work of a spray, a room spray. So that's why we added the perfumer's alcohol, and it can also be used as a cold spray or a room spray. For people that have asthma and they want their home to smell like bakul while they cannot burn bakul, this is the kind of perfume they use or they need to use. You can just spray this around your home. Your home will smell as if you're burning bakul, or your home will smell as if you burnt bakul. It has the bakul scent. It has Turaren scent. So this is what you need in your home. It will make your home smell so good, so nice. You will love, 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 love it. So you can give this recipe a trial. Don't forget to tag me to your pictures when you do so. And you can also purchase this. It's available. I have them. I have this sandal spray. I have soft pink spray. I have soft blue spray. So just send me a DM, comment in the comment section. I'm going to drop my number that you can contact me and get this spray from me. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video, subscribe if you haven't, and I'm going to see you guys in my next one. If you have a question, also drop it in the comment section. I'll do it to answer it. See you in my next one. Bye.